name is Abby Chan and I am the co-owner of Evolve Eats, and I am going to walk you through step by step how to order your meals once you have created your subscription. So to order your meals, you are going to go to evolveeats.com, and since you already have a subscription, you're going to go to login. That will then automatically bring you into your subscription page. This is where you're going to, first of all, manage your subscription and order your meals for the next week. You can choose here which week you want to be ordering for. And you will also see here at the very bottom that you will be ordering 5 meals. This is because I've chosen that I want 5 days a week of meals and I want 1 meal per day. If you want to change this, shoot us an email and we can easily change that for you. Next, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to start to choose here my meal selections. This is pretty simple. I'm going to start to go through. We have started to add breakfast and snack options on here to make this easier to order. All right, once I have finished, I'm going to get this pop-up of, do I want to add any extra meals for the week? That means that if I have someone coming into town or if I know that I'm going to need a little bit more than I did last week, then I can simply add an extra on. Right now, I'm going to say, no, I don't. Then I'm going to go to continue to cart because I don't want to order for next week or for the following week. Once I'm there, you will see here that because it should have a 0 total, if you've added on extra meals, that will be included in this total here and will be reflective in that. Then I'm going to start to scroll down and say, all right, this is definitely what I've chosen, and I'm going to continue to shipping. I am picking up at Evolve. If you want to change to delivery, you are totally welcome to. And then I'm going to continue to payment. Once I'm here, you just need to make sure that you're checking out, and then you're going to check out again. If you have ordered within your subscription and not added meals, you should have a $0 fee. All right, then you will get this confirmation and you should be good to go.